Something just struck me while I was doing this lame. I thought I'd make an interesting quick video, but I'm on my phone with one hand, so we'll see how this goes on. So I'm just making a cooter at the minute, a little elbow, be like that one when it's all set. And I just want to show here the the points for the lame to get attached to, where the rivets will go. It's more or less parallel, or perpendicular I think it is, with the ruler. So you can see I'm sort of at a reasonable 90. If this was in here, see if I can do this, and was down here, then clearly the lame wouldn't work. So what I've done is I've marked my lame up. I've done one of my holes there. Now I can see again that this lame is more or less straight. It's not twisted, it's not doing that as I offer it up. It's more or less straight enough for the work. So when I put and mark my hole here, is that in focus? Just about. When I put the mark there, if that mark, when I offer it up into the scooter and put the Sharpie on it, was down here, something's wrong. It should more or less match that. So if your cooter is straight, if your, can't do it with one hand, there we go. If your holes are more or less straight and your lame is more or less straight across that edge, like so, it's not twisted up like that, and you mark your hole, and the hole is down here or well up there compared to the other one, then one of the holes is in the wrong place, and that can save you hours of frustration and an articulation that doesn't quite work.